This is how much I've got last week, and the strategy is very simple. Be free to follow everything I do in the video, hit that subscribe button for more, and let's get started. First of all, this method is gonna be very easy because it involves simple use of Google. What I want you to do next is you simply go on Google and you type in cool cars. It's gonna open all of these cool pictures which you can use for our today's strategy. So if you go ahead and click here on images, you will find a wide variety of these pictures which you can use. You can use all of them. You can use some other topic as well. But I found that this one is really working and people are in love with these cars and I have found the perfect strategy for this one, and I'm gonna show you everything you need to know in order to set this up correctly and in order to be profitable with it. So I just want to tell you something about today's strategy first. So this is called print on demand, and what it basically does is that you upload your images to your partner's app, add the product to your web store, and split the profits for every sale. And only when people buy your product, the orders are printed, packaged, and delivered by your printing partner. You pay your supplier for their materials and work, and what's left is your profit, guys. So you don't have to make a hassle about printing any t-shirts, any mugs, or something like that. You're just gonna get it done from these people here, and these people are all called teespring.com. Now, they are basically a print-on-demand website which is gonna get all the job done for you guys, so you don't have to worry about anything. You can see that this is a simple solution for creating and selling products that engage your fans and help you monetize your content. This is the key word, guys, monetize. We're gonna get so much money with this today. And they take pride in all these three methods of theirs: no cost, no hassle, and no risk, guys. So you don't have to risk anything here in order to get some money, and you can get a lot with it. They're so popular, and in fact, I'm just gonna show you how actually popular these people are. If you go on a similar web, which is a website tracking website, you can see that Teespring gets 4 million visits each month, guys. Now that's a lot of traffic. That's a lot of traffic for a certain website which only does printing on demand. 4 million. There was even 5 million in month of January, as you can see. So this only shows us that the people are coming to Teespring and that they are ordering those shirts, those hoodies, or whatnot. You can see that you can get here whatever you want. You can get some dogs, you can get some cool pictures, you can get avocados as well. But I have found that these images, these car images, are the most profitable ones at this time. Maybe it will change, but we should capitalize on this now. So later, we can switch to another topic whenever we want to. But for now, let's use this one. So let me just show you how much money you can actually make with this one. So for example, you can see that this shirt is worth $21.99, so $22, and some percentage of that is gonna go to Teespring because they are your partner. So let's say you have this t-shirt, you made it, and you sell it for $22. Some of the profit goes to Teespring and you are left with $16, for example. Now you can go and simply do the math. If you sell, for example, 50 t-shirts in 1 month, now that's times $16, now that's $800 for you very easily, guys. And selling 50 shirts on Teespring is very easy. You can even do it in a half a month. Really, I did it in less time, and as the time passes, I'm selling more and more. But of course, in order to start with this, we need to make ourselves a new account and set up a store here. So you can just go on teespring.com and click here on start creating. Now the next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna just type in your name or brand name, your email address, which has to be valid, of course, enter in your password, or you can continue as well with Facebook, with Google, or your YouTube account, whichever one you want. Now again, guys, I must tell you that this is gonna be very easy because Teespring is gonna do all the work for you. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to print t-shirts. You don't have to package them. You don't have to ship them. they're gonna do everything for you. So basically, you will just design your t-shirts, your hoodies, whatever you want, guys, and your sales will skyrocket from there. You can make some ads on Instagram, on Facebook. It is really, really easy, guys. You can do whatever you want with it. It's gonna be your own, and Teespring is gonna do everything for you. It's gonna be done. You can see that people are already doing all sorts of stuff, and they are putting certain things on these t-shirts, and you can see that there are these categories over here, so you can click whichever one you want and see what it's all about. And of course, for our today's strategy, we're gonna use these cool cars. So for example, this one, you can just put it on a t-shirt and it will look amazing. Really, we can just find someone who did this already, no problem. There are also these hoodies, and I like these hoodies very much. They sell for more. You can see that this hoodie, for example, it is selling for a lot of money, guys. It's $38, so that's a nice profit for you. Teespring will take maybe these $9, $30 are just for you guys. You have these sizes, you have these colors. Just remember to make all these colors, because people, for example, someone likes red, someone likes this purple one, someone likes green, so it looks great on whichever color people choose. And just imagine that you sell like 50 hoodies, guys, and you get $30 from each one. That's $1.5 thousand for you for completely free. You will just have to involve yourself in it, invest a bit of your own free time into this, design some of these free shirts, and the money is gonna keep rolling in, because you can see, guys, 4 million people are here every month. So that's a guaranteed sale, guys. A lot of people are coming, a lot of traffic is in here, so that is a guarantee for us that there's gonna be profit. And of course, you don't have to choose these cool cars. For example, you can just type in, I don't know, you can type in cats, and you can just put those cats on those hoodies, on those t-shirts. You can do whatever you want. You can do, like, I don't know, giraffe. You can do that as well. So just choose whichever one you want. For example, I would happily wear this t-shirt with this giraffe on it. It's very, very cool, and there are certainly more people which love to do that. Well, maybe I wouldn't like this on a t-shirt. This is anteater, so maybe people wouldn't like this on a t-shirt. It somehow looks very ugly, you can see. But there are a lot of these animal lovers t-shirts, these hoodies, which are nicely looking. So just take your imaginative side on, just turn it on, and just make some of these t-shirts. It's very easy, guys. You can design this in less than 5 minutes. It's really easy, and it's fun to do as well. I mean, you're getting paid for it. And just imagine that you sell like 50 hoodies, guys, and you get $30 from each one. That's $1.5 thousand for you for completely free. I highly suggest that you try it out, guys. Try it out, get some money for yourself, take some action, and I'll catch you guys later.